Today, we are glad to introduce our latest 3D printer, AccuFab-L4D. Before using AccuWare, registering a shining 3D passport is recommended. You can do it by clicking Online Registration and filling in the information required. Check the printer serial number and make sure it matches your printer. Then, select desired material and layer thickness. Open the file. You can also import recent files from the list. Printing details including printer serial number, material type, total layers, and estimated time cost are shown at the bottom. On the right, there is a model list and all models are displayed. You can choose to hide any of them or not. Here are different views for models. You can move the dental models with the mouse, or you can move it by entering figures for the X, Y, Z axis. You can rotate the models in the same way. For this bottom laying function, it requires you to choose a plane as the bottom surface. Then, the models will be rotated automatically with this plane down. In the Scale section, you can scale the models up or down. If you have multiple models, the Auto Layout function would be helpful. You can enter minimum space between models and click Confirm to generate the layout. In this step, you can add support by using Auto Support function. You can check each slice layer and height by sliding the bar on the right. If you find somewhere to be adjusted, you can click Manual Support to do it. You can delete or add support by clicking Support Points. And you can delete multiple points by selecting an area. Click Slice and an SLP4 file will be automatically generated. And this file is for shining 3D printer only. Then, you can use a USB driver to copy it to the printer, or send it wirelessly to the printer with the laptop and printer connected to the same network. Add resin. Click the flash drive icon and select the print job. In the setting manual, you can load or save the project. We have a built-in accuracy calibration wizard to help you adjust the accuracy for the printing material. The first step is printing the calibration model. When printing is done, go back to the wizard, check this box, and click Next. Measure the printed model and fill in the measured figures in all blanks and click Next. The compensation will be done and adapted automatically. In the Material Manager interface, you can manipulate the basic parameters for the material and support. Advanced parameter settings will be activated under Engineer mode. In the System settings, you can change software language and check updates for the software and material package.